Assurance Wireless, as of September 2024, provides a few simple ways to monitor your data usage, crucial for avoiding throttled speeds. The primary methods are through their mobile app, by contacting customer service, or using your phone's settings. The Assurance Wireless app is the most user-friendly option, offering real-time data tracking. If you don't have a smartphone or prefer not to use the app, dialing SAW 611 connects you to customer service, who can provide your data usage information. Keep in mind that standard plans offer around 10 gigabytes of high-speed data per month, after which speeds are reduced. To use the Assurance Wireless app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Log in and view your data usage on the home screen. For customer service, dial 611 and request your data status. On Android, you can monitor device-level data in Settings, Network, and Internet Data Usage. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular Data Usage. Remember, device settings show overall data use, not specifically your Assurance Wireless allocation. A key tip is to check your usage regularly, especially if you stream videos or use data-heavy apps. The Assurance Wireless app also allows you to set up notifications, so you get alerted when you are about to reach your limit.